Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Richard, Dacia Spring Extreme 65. Can you have a spirited ride in the Dacia Spring, or is it super slow? Right, while the roads are quiet, we're going to have a little play. Let's go. Into drive, and we are off. Let's go. Here we go. Absolutely wonderful little car. The 0 to 40 on this car is absolutely terrific, and having just had a bit of a play on it, the suspension is good. There is a little bit of a roll, yes, but for a 2025 car or 21st century car, it's very, very good. I'm not looking at the camera, but it's very good. The suspension on this country lane is coping well. Can you have fun with this car? Yes, you can. It's a little car. I am on the standard tyres that come with the car, the OEM tyres. They do need to be upgraded, and later on this year, bearing in mind it's mid 2025. Let's call it mid 2025, because I'm not sure when this video goes out. I think it'll be either the end of June or the early part of July. Here we go. Whee! Tyre spin. I will be changing the tyres to 175s. Currently there are 165s on it, and I will be changing them to 175s. I think. It's a nice dry day, it's warm, the tyres seem to be okay. When it's cold, the tyres are a bit dubious. Am I okay here? Yes, I am. Let's go again. 30 mile an hour. Let's stick to 30. You can have lots of fun in this car. I think, and I've no evidence on this, but I've had quite a few Toyota Aygos or Citroen C1s, or is it the Peugeot 106? I'm not sure if it's the Peugeot 106 or 206. I've had those cars, and from memory, I think this is faster than the 1 litres. I'm just saying, I think it's faster. Right, we're out of the 30. Let's accelerate up. So yeah, the steering is good. I've said before that the steering does get a bit light when you're going over 70 mile an hour. 50 mile an hour, and it does. Going around that corner beautifully. I'm not encouraging you to ride in a spirited way in your Dacia Spring. What I'm trying to say is that the Dacia Spring can bring spirited fun. Now we're on one of the bigger roads. That's it. There's no traffic that way. Here we go again. Let's get rid of this traffic. Let's go for it. Let's head towards Stone and Stafford. Here we go. We're up a hill. We're going up a hill. It's already up 40 mile an hour, and we're going into a nice left-hander, then a right-hander. Hopefully you're enjoying this. If you're not convinced that this will do more than 30 mile an hour, then maybe this video will show that it does do more than 30 mile an hour. Trust me, it's doing much more than 30 mile an hour at the moment. Watch the cars. There you go. So you're going to have lots of fun in this. Of course, it doesn't do 135 mile an hour, yeah, and its 0 to 70 isn't as fast as what you might want it to be, but it doesn't cost a lot of money to get the 0 to 40, yeah. Let's hope there are no cars in front of us, and let's go for it. Let's just clip this corner a bit. That's that, and go into the corner. I've just lost you there, so now we're resuming again. So now we're on the road between Newcastle under Lyme and Eckershaw. Nice sweeping bends. Of course the road is full of potholes. We're coming to a 40 mile an hour, so let's get down to 40. The brakes are good. The brakes are good and straight. Yeah, let's get down to 40. It's a great little car if you want a bit of fun. It can offer a spirited ride. If I was 18 or 19 and just passed my test and my parents were paying the £200 a month for this on a PCP agreement, I would be so happy. Yeah, on the understanding that I'm not going to be doing 130 miles driving a day, and I can charge it up at home every night for very little, especially if you're on something like an Octopus agreement where it's 9 or 7 pence per kilowatt hour. Yeah, then the parents won't be too bad about it. What do you think? Right, let's turn that off. We're out to the 40. Going into this left-hander and then a sharper left-hander, is it? No, it's a right-hander. Right-hander and then another left-hander. Bit of brake, go into the corner and into the right-hander. This is a fairly sharp one, so dab on the brake and move it to the right. It feels great. Another right-hander, then a left-hander. Don't need to dab the brake, do for the left-hander because it's a bit sharp. What do you think? Is it good for fun? Yeah, I think so. Just avoiding the potholes here. Here we go. We're coming up to the bridge. It says slow in the road, but let's see what we can do. Dab the brake, bring it to a halt, and then there we are, they're staying there. Accelerate out to the corner, over the bridge. Well, hey, nearly left the ground. Into the right-hander, don't need the brake, and accelerator down as we see the exit. It's great fun. What would you like? Would you like this? It is great fun. Of course it's burning away the battery, yes, because we're driving it in a spirited way. Going into a sweeping left hand here for 50. Let's just dab it down a bit because it is sharp, and go into the corner. The standard tyres are holding up nicely, and down into 40 mile an hour. Hopefully this is meaning something to you. It's not as slow as what people think. Yeah, you can have a bit of fun. I'm not promoting dangerous driving. I'm trying to show you that this car is not as slow as what everybody says it is. You can have spirited fun. I'm assuming that if we load 2 more adults in it, it will be much slower. But driving it by yourself, with me with a weight of what, 12 stone, 80 kilos, is that? 12 stone, 12 and a half stone, 80 kilos? Yeah? It's okay. There's nothing else in the car that's heavy. Here we go again. Now we've got traffic in front of us. So that's foot flat to the floor, and it's accelerating up this hill. Not a problem. Not a problem. It's holding the corner, and that's fine. It's still accelerating. It's going really well into a right-hander, and then a swooping left-hander. And we're catching up with traffic. We are catching up with traffic. A nice long left-hander here. And it's great. It's great. It's great fun. Yeah? It's certainly not the top rally car. Yeah? But it is great fun. It certainly feels better than the Fiat Pandas of the 19 90s, shall we say. Hope you found this useful. If you're wondering if it's slow and you can't have a spirited ride, well, maybe this has helped you make a decision on that. You can have lots of fun in this, and I don't normally drive like this, yeah? So let's be fair. I'll see you soon. Drive safely, ride safely, be kind to everyone, and eat healthily. See you soon. Bye-bye.